Hi all, welcome to Little Talk section. In this video, we're going to see about the Python library series. As the first one, we are going to talk about Matplotlib library series. Python Matplotlib library subplot. Displaying multiple plots, we are going to use this subplot. This is the example of the subplot. So we have the subplot with 3 points, 1, 2, 1, and another one is 1, 2, 2. So that is how it is displaying the subplots. The subplot function takes 3 arguments that describes the layout of the figure. So the layout is organized in rows and columns, which are represented as the first and second argument. The third argument will be representing the index of the current plot is described. So first subplot is having 1, 2, 1, and the 1 is row and 2 is for columns, and the third one is for the index. So this is for the first plot. The second plot we have 1, 2. First one represents a row and second 2 represents a column, and 2 in the third place represents an index subplot. So this is how it is displayed. So here the subplot is 2, 1, 1, and the second subplot is 2, 1, 2. So that is how it is displayed. You can also have multiple subplots. We can add the title to each plot using the title function. Here we have added 2 titles. First one is sales and second one is income. The plot or title of income, plot or title of sales. That is how it is displayed. Super title. So you can add the title to the entire figure with the subtitle, super title, SUP title function. This is how the super title is installed. The super title is my shop here. So this is displayed at the top of the both graphs. Thanks for watching the video. Welcome to Programmers Defense. Please subscribe my channel.